Hi everyone, I'm Soumya and welcome to the first video of my channel. Let me first start by introducing myself. I'm a toddler mom in my mid 30s and I reside in Chandigarh with my husband and my almost 3-year-old daughter. Uh, so, this idea of creating a YouTube channel, it had always been there in my mind. मैंने सब प्लान कर लिया था what I will shoot, what topics I will discuss, what I will say, and what kind of community I would want to build. सब planned out था. But somehow the next day life would go on and I would just never start. I would think घर थोड़ा और साफ और सुंदर हो जाए. Let me lose a little bit more weight. Let me be a bit more confident if I'm going to be in front of the camera. And just let me get my life a bit more put together. And honestly, all those excuses seemed very logical to me at that time. And that is what I kept on saying, and that is why I kept on delaying this this channel creation. But eventually, I had to accept to myself that that better version of myself is never going to come if I don't start. If I don't put in that work, वो version आएगा ही कहाँ से? So I just had to take that first step. What do I have to lose? Just because something feels a bit difficult, something feels a bit scary. Everything at the beginning feels scary, but that doesn't mean that you don't start or you don't give it a shot. I mean, if one day my daughter comes to me and says कि मम्मा मुझे ये करना है but डर लग रहा है, क्या करूं? Then I won't discourage her. I'll tell her to just give it a try, give it her best shot, and then we'll see how it goes. So it was very clear to me that I was not taking my own advice. Yeah. So now the fun part about what this channel is actually going to be. Because I feel right now my life is in that space. First and foremost, fitness. I'm going to be on a real, genuine fitness journey, not something like a 90-day transformation process or a before and after story. No. I want to get stronger. I want to be healthier. I want to build habits that are actually going to stick for a longer time. मैंने इतनी बार शुरू किया है और फिर खुद को रोक लिया है. I've done this so many times that I know that what works for me and what doesn't work for me. So now I have decided that I'm going to do this in real time and learn in front of the camera with everyone watching, which does sound exciting but slightly terrifying as well. The second one is mental and emotional growth, which is quite close to my heart, just for the fact that I have never actually focused on this section of my life. But I realize that you cannot out exercise a chaotic headspace. अगर यहाँ पे शोर है and you are feeling stressed and upset over the little things, you need to figure out what is it that is triggering you. So we will talk about mindset and all the all the tiny little things that upsets us, and what are the tiny little steps that actually helps us. But I promise it's not going to be in a preachy way. It's more like I'm going through something like this, and maybe you're going through similar as well. Um, the third one would be life with a toddler, and I get it. ये तो एक अलग ही चैनल बन सकता है इस टॉपिक पे, because this life is so beautiful. It is so exhausting. It is hilarious and so messy, all at the same time. So I want to show a life where you are trying to find who you are, uh, all the while raising a tiny little human who has so many opinions about everything around her. And finally, this channel is going to talk about home and lifestyle, because I love creating a home, a space which feels mine, which feels lived in. It's not something perfect or very aesthetic like it's from the pages of Architectural Digest or some magazine, but it has clutter, it has toys in every single room, it has imperfect corners, but it's still beautiful, it's still yours, it's still cozy, and you love it. So we will talk about home decor, we will talk about organization, which I love, all of these things in this channel. Can we just be honest for a second about how weird it is to film yourself? I mean, I set up my phone, I pressed record, and I just wanted to run away and pretend this never happened. Because every time the video is on, I am so hyper aware of everything about me. What my face is expressing, what my hands are doing, how my hair is looking, how am I sitting, how do I sound. It is a lot. Let us be honest about it. And when you do something like this, there is always that judgment factor. Um, what if the people you know watch your videos, your family, your friends, your old acquaintances? What are they going to think about it? Are they going to laugh at it? Are they going to find it weird? Are they going to love it? Are they going to share it with other people? All these thoughts are too much sometimes, and I cannot pretend that I don't have them. Because imposter syndrome, I've realized, is very real. These thoughts in your head, like, um, why would anyone watch you? Why would anyone listen to you? You are not an expert. You don't have all the answers. You don't have anything figured out. But these voices in your head, they're not wrong. They're absolutely right. I don't have everything figured out. Um, I am still finding the answers. And obviously, clearly, I'm not an expert. But I am someone who is genuinely trying. And I think sometimes that is more useful to watch than someone who has figured it all out quite some time ago. I have to set the record straight from day one. I am not here to sell you an aspirational lifestyle and pretend that that is my reality and show you a highlighted reel of some beautiful parts and act as if that is how my real life is. But I can't do that, because that's not true. I don't have all the answers. Half of the time I am Googling stuff, or I'm asking ChatGPT right alongside with you. I know my opinions are going to change and they're going to evolve, and I don't think there is anything wrong with it. That's what is called growth. So I hope you forgive me for that and you give me that grace, and I promise I'll give you the same as well. So I want to talk about who this channel is for, because I think that matters. First and foremost, it's for me, because I need that accountability. This channel for me is a commitment device, because I need a space where I can process, I can document, and celebrate my little wins. I'm on this journey on my own. No one else is joining me here. Uh, so, this place is something where I'll show up and I'll do this for myself. I will be genuinely trying to be healthier, trying to be more mindful, trying to be more present, um, trying to create a life and a home which feels good to be a part of. So, yeah, and I also want this for my daughter, because one day I hope I'll show this to her and she'll watch her mom showing up for herself, even when life was hectic, and hopefully she'll be proud of me. This is obviously for all the moms out there who feel a little stuck and are a bit tired when life gets hectic and everything is changing so fast. If you are watching, I just want to tell you that you are not alone, you are not late, you are not behind, you are starting, and that is the whole point. One of the things that I am most excited about is the community aspect of this channel. I've been online long enough to know that the comment section is not a wonderful space to be. But I also know that if people come together on shared experiences, then it's a beautiful thing. Imagine you typing, "Oh, I've been trying to fix this morning routine for 6 months and I've been doing so and so, but I've been failing." And then someone replies, "Oh my gosh, I've been doing the same thing." And then you connect with a stranger and you realize you're not alone. We're all in this together. We're figuring out everything together. I think that's something beautiful to be a part of. I honestly don't know who is going to show up. Maybe this will be a tiny, quiet little space in the corner of the internet, and that's perfectly fine. Or if it might be something bigger, we don't know. But whatever it is, I just hope that it's a conversation and it's not a performance. It's a place where all your tiny wins are celebrated, but your struggles are also accepted with open arms. Okay, so that's it. That's the most real I've ever been in front of the camera, and this is my first time. So please forgive me if I made any mistakes. If anything that I've said resonated with you, please write in the comments below. I would want to chat with you. I would want to know who is here. I genuinely want to connect. I just don't want to broadcast into the void. So, if this is a space you feel you can be a part of, then I'd love it if you stick around. Please hit subscribe if you wish. I'd love it. If you've been here till now, thank you. Thank you so much. Truly, it matters a lot that you've heard me till the end. I'll see you all very soon. Please, please, please take care of yourself. You really, really deserve it. Bye.